Hello friends, in this tutorial I will tell you that how can you create these glowing lines in Photoshop around portrait. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am using this image. I have downloaded it from unsplash.com. I will put the link in the description box so you can easily download it and work with it. First of all, duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl J, and now you can see here a new layer. I can click on it and it will create a new layer. Now select your pen tool and start creating a path around the portrait. Just I'm doing. Once you are done, you have created the path. Simply select the layer you are working with and select the brush tool. Make the size around 30 pixels. It will help us to create the line with the size of 30 pixels. So select your pen tool, right click and hit stroke path, hit OK, and it will create a stroke just like so. Go to path and deselect this path so you can easily work with it without any disturbance. With your layer selected, double click on the right side. It will open up the layer styles. In the layer styles menu you can see here outer glow. First of all, click on this reset to default. Change the color to this glow. Hit OK, and now play with size and spread to get a nice look. I think that's looking good. Hit OK. And now we have created this line. Now create a path around these arms. Create a new layer. On this new layer, select the pen tool and start creating the path. We have created this path now. Same process. For this I am decreasing the brush size to something like this, 15 pixels. Select your pen tool, change the color to about, I think, red one. Hit OK. Select your pen tool, right click and stroke path, hit OK. It will create a stroke just like so. That's looking good. Now same process, double click on the right side, the layer styles outer glow. For the glow color I'm going with this color. Hit OK. Go to the gradient panel and delete this white one so there will be only this color. Hit OK. Decrease the opacity to just like so. Hit OK. Yes, that's looking good. Now with your layer selected, select the eraser tool and erase the part just like so, and this. Go to the path, deselect the path, and you can see our result. Once you have created the path, again right click, stroke path, hit OK. Yes, give a glow, hit OK. And now click this first layer, layer 2, and erase this path. Go to eraser tool and erase this path just like so. That's looking good. That's how you can create glowing lines in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. I will see you in my next video.